to make sure it's centralized. This is centralized now. We are going to nail it again to get the proper lasting. Just in case you are wondering, I use 7 centimeters at the back. 7 centimeters. Seven centimeters at the back. We're getting ready for it. Let me last the other leg and I'll get back. So we've lasted both legs. These are the legs. So all we'll do next is to lace it and see how the fitting will come. Making sure they are equal. Then you cross it like this. And pass it through here. Pass the other one too through here. And you can now do your cross. So let me do this and I'll get back. So we've laced it up. We are going to do proper lacing later. This is how it's gonna be. So what we'll do now is to go to the machine and roughen all this side. But before we go, this one is dried. Now let's fix this. 2 edges, or you do it like this. It still come out to the same thing. So I've gotten this. So let's go and roughen this after I've done that. So we have roughened it, both legs. We'll fix this one and we'll roughen this side. So what we'll do next is to apply gum and stick it on. So we allow total dryness before we stick it on. So it's dried now. Attain total dryness, then you stick it on. Stick this one too on. So let's remove the last. So stick it on. This is it. What we do next is to bring our sole, apply gum on it. You can either apply gum first on the insole or the sole. Bottom line, apply gum on the two. So let me apply gum on this one and this one, and I'll get back. It's dried now. You bring out the two tip, the two edge. Get your mallet. Let me go and smoothen this place in the roughing machine, and I'll get back. So we've coupled it. This is the outcome. What we'll do next is to apply dye. Be careful, this one that is running like this. So we have coupled it. This is the outcome. What we'll do next is to apply polish at the edges, just to make it neater. Wow, is this not lovely? This is a wow. 20 minutes alone. They go here and for church. Let me make the bag.